So it's our last full day here today.
Snow.
Yeah.
Snow here.
And quite different weather today. It's not glorious sunshine.
Glorious snow.
It's glorious snow. Yeah. It's been about mile and a half, I guess, down to the bridge. So we are just walking across the bridge, and there's some ski competition going on just over the road. So people seem to be having fun and going along there on their skis. Looks like a lot of effort to me, but yeah, whatever floats your boat. Lovely, isn't it? We've been into the town. That was really nice. Snow is starting to be a little bit heavier now, so that's all good fun. So just walking back, we had a nice hot chocolate in the coffee house in the town, and we watched the skiers. That looks fun. But just walking back to the hotel now, probably about another mile and a half or so, I guess. A nice walk, Amanda.
Yes, it's very snowy.
How's it going, man?
Huh?
How's it going?
It's quite heavy.
Why don't you sledge it back up the top?
No.
That'll make sense. Sledge it back up the top and then you push it down and it'll get bigger.
No.
What are you stuck on?
His nose.
Jelly babies.
Jelly babies?
I think they make good. I could do with one as well.
Yeah, okay.
Hang on, let me eat some of it. Oh. It's like eye surgery.
A bit more. You eat his nose and his mouth. That's it, yeah.